Imagine a login with no password at all. Nothing to remember. Nothing a thief can steal, even if the company gets hacked. That already exists. It's called a passkey. Let me show you what it really is. Last time, we said your password is like a key. The trouble with any key is simple. It can be copied, photograph it, or steal the lockmaker's records, and the thief can cut a new one. So engineers asked a different question. What if we used something a thief could never copy? Long ago, important people didn't prove who they were with a key. They sealed their letters with a signet ring, a ring with a unique pattern, pressed into hot wax. Anyone could look at the seal and know it was really you. But no one could fake it because the ring never left your hand. A passkey is your signet ring for the internet. Here's how it works when you sign up. Your device quietly carves a brand new ring just for that one website. It keeps the ring itself. The site's gatekeeper only files a picture of your seal. Later, when you come back, that gatekeeper hands you a fresh blank letter. Your device presses the ring into the wax, in a blink. The gatekeeper checks your seal against the picture on file. It matches and the door opens. Your ring never travels to the website. Only the sealed wax does. Now remember the leak from last time. When a company gets hacked, the thief grabs everything it stored. Before, that meant your key, something they could copy or crack offline. Now, they pull open the drawer and find only pictures of seals. And you cannot carve a ring from a picture. The leak hands them nothing. It fixes another trick from last time, the fake door. That lookalike login page built to catch you. Your ring is tied to the real address. At a fake door, it simply refuses to press. You don't even have to check the address yourself, the ring checks it for you. And there's nothing to hand over, so you can't be tricked into giving it away. You might be thinking, what if someone steals my phone? Then they have the ring. But the ring only presses for its owner. Before it stamps anything, it checks your face, your fingerprint, or a pin only you know. No you, no seal. And here's the best part. You don't build any of this, you just switch it on. Next time a site offers a passkey, Google, Apple, Microsoft, say yes. It's that same face or fingerprint tap you've probably already seen. Your phone keeps your rings in its locked keychain, the very safe we talked about last time. You can keep your old password as a backup while you switch over. Then retire it. That leftover password is the one weak point a thief can still phish. So a passkey isn't a fancier password. It's a different idea entirely. A seal anyone can check. Pressed from a ring no one can copy. A ring your device never hands over. Nothing to leak, nothing to phish, nothing to remember. Turn it on where you can, and one more door quietly closes on the thief. Calm and simple. I'll see you in the next one.